In Photoshop, to illustrate any complex graphics, you will need to use the Pen Tool. This is an indispensable tool. This video will show you the most basic use of the Pen Tool. The shortcut for Pen Tool is P. You only need to single-click on any 2 points on the canvas, and Pen Tool will create a straight line for you. Of course, you can also change the stroke and style of this line in the option bar. By holding the Shift key, the Pen Tool will create a perfectly horizontal line, or a perfectly vertical line for you, if you hold and drag while using the Pen Tool. This tool will appear with a control bar and create a curve base on it. Continue dragging and you can adjust the curve with this control bar, or you can drag to create a control bar when start using the Pen Tool, and then create any shape or curve by clicking and dragging continuously. When you use the Pen Tool to create any shape or line, if you return the line back to the starting point, a little dot will appear on. This way you create a closed shape. This shape can be adjusted to any color and any style in the option bar. If you are master in using the Pen Tool, you can create any icons or graphics with this tool, even some more complex illustrations. Second, Freeform Pen Tool. Freeform Pen Tool doesn't have any tips. You only need to hold the mouse and move around to create graphics. But to create more accurate graphics, it is recommended to use more professional tools such as a hand-drawn tablet. Curvature Pen Tool. This tool is also a very easy-to-use pen tool. The only thing you need to do is to click on different spots on the canvas, and the Curvature Pen Tool will automatically make the curve based on the spots you point. You can adjust the curve a little bit by dragging these spots around. To adjust the shapes created by these pen tools, you will need some more precise tips and tools. All the vector graphics created by the pen tools and rectangle tools can be modified by adjusting the anchor point and control bar. Through the Add Anchor Point tool and Delete Anchor Point tool, you can add or delete anchor points on these graphics. You can even use the Convert Point tool to drag the anchor point and control bar to adjust the graphics as well. Mastering these pen tools can help you create any graphics you want. You can also adjust the image more precisely with a mask by creating some graphics with these pen tools. We will talk about these in the future videos. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.